Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just want to take a few minutes to thank everybody for supporting my shows. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and click that little bell that will send you a notification when I do a new video. The other thing is, I want to thank everybody for using my Amazon store. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon stores, anybody can set up an Amazon store. It's just a web page of Amazon with items that you have selected for people to buy, and there's no additional cost to the buyer. The person that sets up the store gets a small commission. I get mine in the form of a credit, which I use to buy things to review on my show, such as this antenna right here. Now, the views on this antenna have been quite high, so I'm going to do some more shows. The one thing I haven't done in detail is test the directivity of this antenna, if it has one. Now, I've tried a couple of things, and it's trying to do this by myself is not that easy, because what I want to do is I want to have the, for instance, SDR Uno up and running, showing you the graph of the signal strength, and then slowly rotate the antenna. Well, the problem is I have to go outside my workshop and go around the door and get to my antenna and then rotate it. So I can't really comment on the rotation if I do a continuous rotation. Now, the other option is that I go out, I rotate it slightly, say maybe 10 degrees, and then I come back in and I look at what the readings are. Now, of course, I'll most likely be listening to a particular station, such as WWV. And then it's going to go up and down. The signal strength is going to go up and down anyway. So it's not going to be a very precise test, but I would like to do that test. Anyway, if you come down to my most recent videos, to the last 500, I have a link to my Amazon store. And you click on that, and it takes you to my Amazon store. This is my Amazon store. It's just a web page that Amazon lets you set up. So you're dealing with Amazon. I don't stock anything or anything. This is just Amazon. This is just a link into Amazon. Now, you don't have, once you get here, you don't have to buy any of these items. You can buy something else. So the important thing is that you took that link. So here is the antenna I'm talking about. It's $57. It's the 30 plus antenna, loop antenna. And I just checked my sales for the past month, and one individual bought 3 of these at $57 a piece. So like I said, I get a small commission in the form of a credit. So I made about, I don't know, $6 or $7 off of that one item. So I want to thank that person, and I want to thank other people. There were probably 25 to 40 purchases this month so far. So I want to thank everybody for taking the time. I realize it's an extra step, but I do appreciate you. That way, I don't ask for money or any support like that. This way, it doesn't cost you anything extra. You get your product like you would if you went there directly, and I get a small commission. So I just want to take the time to thank my supporters. We're heading for 12,000 subscribers. And like I say, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed or you're going to subscribe, hit that little bell icon next to subscribe, and that way you get notifications when I do a new video, such as this one. All right, that's it. I've babbled enough. Again, I'm going to try to do some more videos on this. This seems to be very popular. I'm going to go back and look at my shows and see which item was popular. Like, see if I can find it on this page. I don't know if I can or not. This guy, this is the Grundig 750. Very popular. A lot of people watch those shows. Even my shows that are like 3 years old, they still watch. Trying to think of another item. This is very popular. There's RTL-SDR.com dongle with antennas. That's a super buy. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.